I mean, I don't have one or two, but almost close to 30 different things that I can recommend to you as if you're becoming a life coach, what all you need to do. You know, the one thing a coach gives that no one else can give is true care minus judgment. The biggest gift we can give to someone is our ears. What are the routines I should follow to prepare myself to be a life coach? I'd love for you to come for the coaching mastery session where I share a lot of these things. I mean, I don't have one or two, but almost close to 30 different things that I can recommend to you as if you're becoming a life coach, what all you need to do. Most important thing, of course, is working on your care. Learning to love people a lot more. You know, the one thing a coach gives that no one else can give is true care minus judgment. So that's to me the number one quality of a coach, that no judgment, more love. Another thing I'd love for you to do is build your curiosity. Okay, when you build your curiosity, what happens is no matter how long the other person is speaking, you're never looking at your watch and going, ye to chale hi ja raha hai, ye to bole hi ja rahi hai, ye to, you know, she's venting or she's ranting or she's... But it's actually you just remaining curious, because the biggest gift we can give to someone is our ears. To be present with someone and really listen to them, not to respond, not to reply, but moreover to ask further follow-up questions to make them speak even more. Where do you get anything like that outside apart from coaching? True. So building your curiosity, of course, building your competency. I give this formula in my coaching mastery always, which says 30-90. 30 minutes every day for 90 days makes you an authority in your topic just by watching YouTube videos. So at least start with that. There is so much knowledge in the world right now that people are so generously giving for free, and we are not learning from them enough. So my suggestion is every single day, dedicate 30 minutes of your life learning one topic that excites and interests you. And last but not the least, I'd love for you to build challenge in your personality. That means whenever as a coach, you cannot be scared of confrontation. You cannot be scared of, telling people what they need to do and guiding them in the process. A lot of times we become sweet talkers because we want them to, we don't want to displease anybody. But I think if someone is paying you, they deserve to know the truth. And if you know how to guide them better, then challenging them to wake up earlier, to live a better life, to want more, to aspire for more, to really believe in them that they can achieve a lot more, all of that portion belongs to challenge. So care, curiosity, competency, challenge. These are normally my 4 C's that I share with all coaches, that, work with these 4. They are very, very powerful.